doesn't want to look good? Like, that's crazy. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me Valentine's edition. So this video was fun to make and it was just simple and nice. It's one of my first get ready with me, and it's okay. So I am going on a date. So this video concludes of hair, makeup and outfit, and I just want to say thank you guys for supporting and subscribing. Also, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys. Alright guys, so we're just going to start off with the hair. I really don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I think I'm gonna just keep this side part, and I'm just going to use the flat iron to curl it up. Yeah, you guys have seen the last video with my hair, it was all curly and stuff, but now it's back to straight. So I am going to be refreshing the edges, and also I'm just going to go in with curling. So yeah, it's a little bit tangled. It's a little bit tangled right now, but I'm just going to use the brush to detangle the hair. I know I look a mess, but the girl is gonna look cute in the end, so I'm just gonna detangle the hair. And you love it when I make you mad, but maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. So for right now, I'm just gonna put it back into a ponytail so that I can do the edges and then tie the headband around it. Alright, so we're gonna use our latter body mousse. It's just like a little simple get ready with me. Nothing too fancy, nothing too classic. You know, I'm going out on a date, so I have to be like extra, you know? Extra nice, extra fancy, cute, you know, because going out on a date. But you know, it's been a while, so I'm just prepping. I'm not really a fan of colored hair, but this hair, it compliments me. I really like this red. I got a lot of compliments, so you know, the reason why I chose this hair was because it's Valentine's. The theme is red and white, but you know, a little burgundy, spice it up a little bit. It's cute, you know. So I'm just refreshing my hair, and gonna give you guys a little tutorial also while I'm doing my makeup. No professional, but I just know how to do my thing. Just know how to do it. These edges keep lifting, not really the edges, the lace, the front. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of freezing spray, and then I'm gonna tie it down. But Everything is alright. I've actually never been on a date, like a Valentine's Day. Don't get that wrong. I've never been on a Valentine's Day. This is gonna be like the first, but I've been on many dates. But I don't know. I don't know. Because not everyone celebrates it, but it's always a first for something. Like,
you say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting it. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just show me bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile.
alright, so for now I'm just going to put the hair in two, so that when I'm curling it isn't really a lot of flyaways or a mess, you know. So I'm just gonna put the hair in two, and then I'm going to start curling with a flat iron. Bear in mind, I don't know how to curl here with the flat iron, but I'm just going to try. Nothing tried, nothing done. So I'm going to try. Just gonna go ahead and try and see how it turns out, and then I'll see if I'm going to continue with the flat iron or not. Alright, wish me luck. Wish me luck. That don't make no sense. See? This don't make no sense neither. Look here, nah, me not stress me when I don't know if you do. So you know what? I am not going to use the flat iron. I'm going to use back the curling iron that I did in the last one. Alright guys. So because that one is small, we're going to just start off with small sections. So, you know, always remember your gloves. Not letting anything stress me in 2023. We're just going to be using the curling iron. So, as I said, guys, I am not a hairstylist. I am not a professional, but I know how to do my own thing. So don't bash me. Don't come for me because I don't see nothing bad to me and answer me. Right? I don't like that one. I don't like that one.
But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile, and it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling.
Alright, so from the previous video, you guys seen how I did this one. So I'm just going to curl it up, just like the last one. Then we're just going to go straight into makeup. And yes, guys, always remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and to tell a friend to tell a friend. Who doesn't want to look their best on a date, right? Especially Valentine's. Who doesn't want to look good? Like, that's crazy.
Maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it would just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Alright, so I am finished curling. So now I am just going to pull through the hair with my hand, with my fingers, to get it a little fluffy look. Give it a little fluffy look. And I don't know why I did that though, but because we're going to do the makeup now, so I'm just going to pin it up and then we'll go through the makeup. So now we are going to go in with the Warrior Juvia's Place palette. So I'll be using this color, probably this one as well, to give it like just a soft glam, just a natural look. So I am going to just give it like a little glamour look. So I'm just going to go in with this shade, and I'm just going to pat it.
To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
So now for my foundation, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, but also with the Maybelline 332 Golden Caramel. So I'll be mixing them together to get my shade, and yeah.
Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Alright, so now I am just going to go in with my concealer again, the deep caramel. I'm just going to conceal.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been
So to conceal, you'd have to use a damp beauty blender.
in your heart you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. But I love when we make up like that. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that.
Alright guys, so this is the finishing look. So now I'm going to go ahead and get ready, and I'll be back with you guys. Alright, so guys, this is the finished look, and this is the outfit. So everyone knows that the hair is from Amazon, the earring is from Shein, the corset top is from Shein as well, the watch is from Shein, the leggings is from Shein. The leggings is from Shein, and the heels are from Fashion Nova. So also I forgot to let you guys know, this bag is also from Shein. So it's just a Shein night, Shein right through. So the heels are from Fashion Nova, but everything else is from Shein. The fit is from Shein, and I am loving it. Cheap and clean. Look like I have a bag of money, but I don't have it. But yeah, simple and cute. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and please remember to tell a friend to tell a friend. So also remember to like, share, comment and subscribe.